episode of What the Birds Say, episode 5, live from the port, near the window. You can't see me, hello. I say hello. Nice food. Let me see, hello sparrows. Hi sparrows, how you doing Mr. Sparrow? How you doing Mr. Sparrow? Oh, you're watching it, nice, open it up. Lovely food, oh, what's that up there? We're not partners. Oh God. I have to use more. Oh look, I'm on the fence. Hello, I'm on the fence. What's over here? Oh look, the matching. Oh look, a bird bat. We won't even use that. We're here at all. We're up here at the tree. No, I'm a dove. Oh, I'm a dove. 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 I'm a wild dove. I'm a wild dove. I'm a wild dove. I'm a focus all that. Focus this morning here. Oh, apologies for all the bad focus shots here this morning. Okay. Oh, here. Oh, I'm that. Oh, yeah. We're all live up here. We all live up here. Yeah, we know. We all live up here. Yeah. Oh, we know. We all live up here. Yes, we know. Oh, that's 2 minutes episodes now. Anyone else down here now? Anyone else down here for the bird? You see now. See here. 2 pence, 2 minutes, see here. What's see here? Oh, see here. Oh dear. We're on the tree. What's that on the tree? That's all for this episode of What the Birds Say. And there's Mr. Tashi. Thank you. Bonus footage, What the Birds Say, episode 5. Oh, we're down here having a bird seed, yes we are. Mrs. Gobo! Brenda! Hello, I'm Blue Tit. I'm a blue tit. I'm a blue. Where am I gone? I'm a blue tit. I am a blue. Where am I? Oh, there I am. Right. Haha, you can't catch me. I'm jumping around like an idiot. I'm gone. I'm licking with the doves. I'm licking with the doves. I know. Pat. Silly bird, Pat. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Up to 6 such birds. Oh, we're still up here. And I'm the king of the doves. Where am I? Get the camera on me. I'm the king of the doves. No, we're not. I'm the king of the doves. No, we're the king of the doves. I'm the king of the doves. No, I'm... oh, shut up. Hey, we love to just sit out here on the washing on the line, yeah. We're not gonna move. We're fucking lazy bastards. Oh, what hard such language. There's that bird. Oh, look. Oh, look. Hello, 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 oh. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, hello, me. Oh, jeez. Oh, good. Oh, 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 yeah, oh, God. Oh, good, oh, good. All right. Time here for episode 6 of What the Birds Say. But wait, look. It's a robin. No, it's not. Where's it gone? It's a robin. Something anyway. Oi! No, it's not a robin.